Welcome to this lesson of Amazon Associates Affiliate Program. Well, Amazon Associates Affiliate Program is one of the most used affiliate program and one of the most or like one of the best passive income sites where you can actually earn money by, affiliate marketing. Well, affiliate marketing is a lot different and is a lot done in this modern age because this program, which is an affiliate marketing program, it's free for website owners and bloggers to become Amazon associates. They advertise the products from Amazon.com on their sites by creating links. When the customer click on the links and buy product from Amazon, they earn referral fees, and also if they also reach the goal of a specific product or a specific seller, they also get that advantage and also a profit and also some economic support from that seller and also from Amazon.com. Okay, and in this era, Amazon associates program is one of the highest used associate and passive income site where one can actually grow from scratch to a professional. Okay, so the website owners and bloggers can create the links and earn referral fees. So the customers click through and buy products, and it's completely free to join and easy to use. First of all, what you're going to need is going to be an Amazon account. And you can see that here I just opened up Amazon.com. First off, what you have to do is just search for Amazon.com, and then what you're going to do is sign up. After you sign up, what you're going to do is, if you want to start the associate program, click on Amazon Affiliate Program or Amazon Associates. Okay, you can also find the associates from over here, site Stripe, and I opened it up from over here, so that's kind of the same thing. So what people actually do is, let's say I signed up over here, and now you have this chart over here. Okay, so this is the chart of earning overview for last 30 days. So let's say one person clicked on your link, and you will see that the link or the clicks will appear over here. If you get commission, let's say someone actually bought that, or let's say bought an item which you put it up as a link, and someone clicked on that link and bought it up, well, you will see that your commission will appear over here. And if you reach a certain amount of, let's say, sales, and also certain amount of clicks and commissions and all of those, you will also get a bonus from Amazon.com itself. Okay, so there are a lot of people who actually earn a lot by Amazon associates. So let's start off by opening up a site. Let's say I'm going to go over to techradar.com. You can see TechRadar. From here, let's say I'm going to search up for something. Let's say I'm going to type in keyboards. Hit on enter, and it's going to open up, let's say, Dash Keyboard 6 professional reviews. Let's say the only thing I want to buy on Memorial Day is this adorable keyboard. But let's say I'm going to go over here, and it will give me up or pop up a lot of these links, which you can see over here. Okay, I'm going to go down, and you can see that there are a lot of these options and a lot of these, things which you can actually buy it from. And these are also those affiliate links this site is using. You can see Amazon Prime, Amazon, and Amazon. So this site has also taken the link of Amazon Associates program and put it up over here. So let's say when I click on it and I clicked on view, and it will open up Amazon.com, obviously. Okay, and when I actually buy it from their link and I also sign up first, well, you can see this is from another server, which is Amazon.India. But when you click on from that and actually buy the product, that let's say the writer or that website manager will get that certain amount of money, which is termed to be the commission for that specific product. And that is quite simple to do. First off, what you're gonna do is open up Amazon.com. And when you open up Amazon.com, you will see a couple of these products which you will be able to sell. Not actually sell, but you will be able to take the affiliate link and then paste it on somewhere. Let's say social media. We have websites. We have YouTube and all of those medias where you can paste it so that some people can actually see your link, your reviews, and then people might actually buy it. But there are a couple of methods to do that too. First off, what we're gonna do is search up for something, or let's say we have to see something which is like being sold a lot. So from here, we are going to search for something which is like the best sellers. So I'm going to click on best sellers. That is like one of the methods to do that. And I can see among them, this Croc Unisex Adult Classic Clog is like one of the best selling, clothing or shoe, the category of this, okay? So if you want to do that, what you're going to do is, let's say I'm going to click on it, okay? After I click on it, there are also certain ways to do it. Now from here, what you're going to do is get the code from over here. If you want to get the code from over here, you can see these option of Amazon Stripes. You can see also this option of get link, text, image, and text plus image. Now from here, what we're going to do is click on text, and you will see this link will appear up. Well, this is your associates or affiliate link, which you'll be able to use for your media, or let's say YouTube and all of those sites, where you can actually get some income or some passive income from those. So what you have to do is copy up that link, press on Ctrl C, and that link has been copied. Now let's go over and open up a new tab. Let's like paste on it, and you can see that this is the link. Paste on it, or like click on search. You can see that the certain link will open up. That means when a person actually clicks on this link, let's say from your website or maybe even from your social media or your YouTube, then what will happen is that you'll be able to, like, when someone actually buys it, you will see on Amazon Associates, there will be a commission over here. And you can actually grow and see products which are selling fast, which is over here. From here, you can also select on see all, and then you will see another tab will open up. And from here, these are the products which are being sold in a vast amount, and also which is kind of like the best selling right now. Okay, so these are a couple of the methods of how you'll be able to put. Another method is going to be opening up or writing for websites so that you can increase the amount of income or your passive income. So let's say I'm going to go over here, or maybe go over, let's say I'm going to open up TechRadar again. I'm going to search over here, TechRadar, and from there, as you can see that this is one of the most useful and used site, or like hundreds and thousands of people actually visit the site. And you will see that there are a couple of these articles which people actually see. You can see this is ranked. Okay, now let's say 5 things I want to see on Rumored Mac Air. But here I'm going to do is search for something else. Laptops to use in 2023. Hit on enter, and you will see that there are going to be a lot of these, like articles. Let's say I'm going to click on this best phones and laptops on 2023, and you can see OnePlus and all of those. Okay, we have these options. Okay, so from here, what you can do is I'm going to go up, and from there you can see that there is one article writer. You can see by TechRadar staff, published March 3. Okay, but sometimes there are other people too, which like specific websites actually hire people. So you can like actually write like these type of articles, and then you can actually like get a profit from there too. And also you can also get like profit from your Amazon too, such as getting reviews and all of those. Okay, so you can see that you'll be able to do all of those. And you can also get those links or put those links on your websites or your, let's say, social medias, let's say Facebook or even Instagram, Twitter, and all of those, and actually make an income. So what you have to keep in mind that go over to Amazon, sign up on Associates, and then what you're going to do is find out the products which are like most selling right now, and then put it up on social media or like wherever you want to put so that people can actually see it and people are actually going to buy it. And then you are going to get a specific amount of passive income from there. But one thing you have to keep in mind that there is a fact of 90 days, okay, which we call the 90-day fact. So when you open up Amazon.com or sign up on the affiliate program, if you can't sell your product in 90 days or sell any product in 90 days, your account will be terminated. Okay, so that you have to open up a new account. You won't be able to use this account anymore or use this affiliate program anymore from that specific account. So keep that in mind and make sure to keep updated with what product you're selling or what product you're affiliating with, and then post it up on different sites and where people can actually see it. So thank you for watching this video, and if you didn't understand a part, please let us know. And then you can also see these reports, tools, and promotion, all of these, and get more options and get more info about specifications of this affiliate programming. So thank you for staying with us and watching this video.